Hey everyone, welcome back to English Zoo Chat. Today we're showing you a powerful English learning trick that you already use every single day.
Yes, your daily routine is actually your best English teacher. No books, no classes, just you.
Sounds unbelievable. Give us 10 minutes and you'll see how it works.
Let's start with something very simple, your daily routine. What do you do every morning, Paul?
I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast. Oh, and I drink a lot of coffee.
Perfect. And that is exactly what we want. Those small, everyday actions, brushing, eating, drinking coffee, are the best way to start learning English. You don't need complicated grammar or vocabulary. You only need your life. The first thing you do is write it down. Yes, Paul, write it. You can use a notebook or even your phone's notes app. It's super easy and very powerful.
Okay, let me try. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I go to work.
Exactly. These are perfect sentences. You're practicing English naturally. You're not memorizing anything, you're just describing your life in English. That is learning in the easiest way possible. When you write in English about your own routine, something amazing happens in your brain. You start thinking in English. You don't translate from your first language anymore. You simply describe what you do.
Oh, so instead of thinking I wake up in my language and then translating, I just write I wake up straight in English.
Yes, and the vocabulary you use is useful for you every single day. Words like breakfast, coffee, work, gym. These are words you really need. You don't need to learn spaceship or astronaut if you never use them.
True. I take the bus to work every day, not a spaceship.
Exactly. So you start with your life. Your daily actions become your English teacher. And you can make this even more fun. You can draw little pictures, add emojis, or use colors for each activity. For example, I wake up, I drink coffee, I eat breakfast. This makes your notebook lively and your brain remembers better.
Oh, I can even add my cat watching me while I eat breakfast. It makes my sentences more interesting.
Yes, Paul. The more details you add, the better. Later, we'll learn how to evolve these sentences naturally into more complex English. But for now, start simple, just your basic routine. Remember, Paul, consistency is the secret. Even 5 minutes every morning is better than 1 hour once a week. Every day, you're telling your story in English. And little by little, your brain becomes fluent.
So I just write I wake up. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I go to work. That's my morning lesson in English.
Yes. And the best part? It's already part of your life. You don't need to force it. Your routine is your teacher. Okay, Paul, you wrote your morning routine in English. That's perfect. But now comes the second step, reading out loud.
Read out loud? To who? My toothbrush? My coffee mug?
Yes, your coffee mug can listen if it wants. But seriously, you read aloud to yourself. This step is very important. When you read your sentences out loud, you use your eyes, hands, mouth, and ears all together. Look at this. Eyes reading, hands writing, mouth speaking, ears listening. This combination makes your brain remember English much faster.
So, writing plus speaking equals faster English learning?
Yes, and it also helps your pronunciation and confidence. The more you hear yourself speaking English, the more natural it becomes.
Start simple. Read each sentence slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m. Repeat it 2 to 3 times. Add emotion and expression. I eat breakfast. Say it like you're excited for your toast. I drink coffee. Long, slow sip sound optional. Use gestures. Pretend to brush your teeth or coffee or walk to work while reading your sentences. Your body remembers actions, and it strengthens memory. I go to work, walking slowly, waving at imaginary coworkers. Hello.
Exactly. You're combining movement and speaking. Your brain loves this. You can even use funny voices for different sentences. Pretend your wall is giving you applause. Bravo, Paul. Amazing English. Or record yourself reading and listen later.
I can't wait. I will sound like a famous news anchor reading my breakfast story.
And that's exactly what we want. Confidence. Reading aloud turns your written words into spoken English. It connects your mind and your mouth. Remember, Paul, reading aloud is not just repeating words. You are training your brain to think in English while using your mouth and ears. Every morning, just a few minutes will make a huge difference.
So my sentences like I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I read them out loud every day, and I get faster and more confident.
Yes. And once you do this daily, speaking English will start to feel natural, almost like talking in your first language. Paul, you wrote your morning routine and read it out loud. That's fantastic. Now, the next step is just as powerful, your night routine.
Night routine. Does this mean more homework?
No homework. This is fun. At night, you write about your day in the past tense. This way, you naturally practice English grammar without even noticing. Past tense is everywhere. If you tell your story today, I woke up, I went to work, I ate breakfast, you're already practicing it. You don't need to memorize rules. You're using English naturally.
Oh. So instead of studying grammar charts, I just write what I did?
Yes. Your own life is the perfect teacher. Let me show you how.
Review your morning sentences. Example, morning, I wake up at 7. Night, I woke up at 7. Write simple past sentences for each activity. I had breakfast. I drank coffee. I went to work.
Use complete sentences. Today, I woke up early. I went to the gym and exercised for 30 minutes. I ate pasta for dinner.
Wow. I can write, I woke up at 7. I went to work. I ate breakfast. This is exactly like telling my day story.
Yes, Paul. You're practicing this simple past tense naturally. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes. You can even add small details to make your sentences more interesting. I had a quick breakfast because I was late. I had a busy morning because I had 2 meetings. Each sentence is simple, but now it includes time, reason, or feelings, just like a story.
I had a lazy afternoon because I watched a movie.
Perfect. You're using past tense naturally, practicing vocabulary, and making it fun. That's exactly how learning English should feel. Here's the magic. After writing your sentences, read them out loud, just like we practiced in the morning. I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I went to work.
Good evening, listeners. Today, I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I went to work.
See? Now your brain, mouth, and ears are all learning together. That's why your daily and nightly routine builds English fluency so naturally. Remember, Paul, even if you're tired, writing for just 5 minutes before bed makes a huge difference. And the best part? You're using English for your own life, not for a test.
So, morning equals present tense. Night equals past tense. Easy, fun, and natural.
Yes, and later, we'll add even more tips to make this routine a long-term habit that really works. Paul, you wrote your morning routine, read it aloud, and practiced past tense at night. That's amazing. Now, the secret to long-term success is making it a daily habit.
Habit? Like brushing my teeth?
Exactly. You don't need hours. 5 minutes every day is enough. Consistency beats intensity. Here's a tip. Put your notebook or phone somewhere you see it every morning, like next to your coffee machine or on your desk. Then, every morning, write your sentences before you even take your first sip.
Oh, I make coffee, then I write. No excuses.
Yes. And if you're on the bus or on your lunch break, you can even use your phone's notes app. Anywhere, anytime, your routine is always there for learning English. When you begin, your sentences can be very short. I wake up. I eat. I work. I sleep.
Simple panda sentences, easy to remember.
Exactly. The important thing is to start. Then, as you practice every day, you evolve your sentences naturally. Week 1. Start with the basic action. I had breakfast. Week 2. Add details. I had breakfast. I ate toast and an egg. Week 3. Add why or how. I had a quick breakfast because I was late. See? You start simple, then your English grows naturally.
I had a busy morning because I had 2 meetings. Wow, my sentences sound real.
Yes, Paul. You're describing real life. That's why this works so well. You're not forcing grammar or vocabulary. You're using it. Little details make sentences richer. Time, place, feelings. Example. Week 1, I eat breakfast. Week 2, I eat breakfast at home. Week 3, I eat breakfast at home because I woke up late. Step by step, your English becomes more natural and expressive.
And then I rushed to work because my alarm didn't ring. Live from Panda City.
Yes, fun and natural. That's the key. Remember, Paul, 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Small, consistent practice builds confidence and fluency over time. You'll be surprised how quickly you improve.
So morning equals short sentences. Gradually, I add details. Every day equals improvement. Got it.
Exactly. And this is the foundation. Later, we'll add even more fun tips like recording your voice to track progress. Paul, you've done your morning routine, read it aloud, and practiced past tense at night. Now, here's the super secret tip, recording your voice.
I don't know, Emily. I don't really like hearing myself in English.
That's okay, Paul. Most people feel the same. But this is for your ears only. You don't have to show anyone. And trust me, it's one of the most powerful ways to see how much you're improving. Start small. Once a week, record a 1 to 2 minute summary of your day. Just speak naturally like we practiced. Hello. Today is Monday. I woke up at 7. I went to work. I ate pasta for dinner. It was a good day. No stress. Just speak about your life.
Okay, let me try. Hello. I woke up at 7. I drank coffee. I went to work.
Perfect. You're doing amazing. Remember, it's only for you, so don't worry about mistakes. Every recording is progress. Save each recording in a folder or a special app. Label them by date, week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on. Over time, you'll have a clear record of your progress.
Okay, but why save them?
Because that's how you see your improvement. Later, when you listen to week 1 versus week 4, you'll notice. Your pronunciation is clearer. Your sentences are longer and more detailed. You speak faster and more confidently. Exactly, Paul. You'll feel proud of yourself. Listening to your own progress is extremely motivating. It's like having your own English coach inside your phone.
Go me. Week 1 Panda, week 5 Panda equals fluent Panda.
Yes. And the best part, it takes only a few minutes. Just a small habit every week can show huge improvement over months. Try to record in a quiet place. Speak naturally, not too fast. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are learning. You can even listen to your favorite English podcast or video and mimic their pronunciation for practice.
So my voice plus my life story equals English progress. Genius.
Yes. Your routine plus reading aloud plus night past tense plus voice recording equals a complete English learning system that is simple, natural, and effective. Paul, even if you started small, now imagine 1 month from today. You listen to your first recording and see how much your English has improved. That's the best motivation ever.
Emily, I can't wait to hear my week 1 voice next month. I'll probably be surprised at how far I've come.
And that's the beauty of using your own life as an English teacher. You don't need books. You don't need classes. Everything you do every day can make you fluent.
Wow, Emily, today was amazing. I wrote my morning routine, read it out loud, practiced past tense at night, and even recorded my voice. I feel like my English is improving already.
That's wonderful, Paul. And the best part is anyone can do this. You don't need money. You don't need classes. Your own life is your best English teacher. Remember, everyone, the key is consistency and fun. Write simple sentences, read them aloud, practice past tense, and record your voice. 5 minutes every day is more powerful than one long study session.
Just a few minutes every day can make a huge difference. I can see it already, and you can too.
Now it's your turn. Comment below.
Yes, tell us. What did you do this morning? Or what will you do tonight? Just 1 or 2 simple sentences. Use past or future tense. We read every comment, and it's the best way to practice your English.
And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to English Sue Chat, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Help your friends and help yourself. Learning together is more fun.